I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted a story on Snapchat, don't panic. Here is how you can try to recover it. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account where the story was deleted. Step 2. Go to Memories. Swipe up on the camera screen to access Memories. This is where all your saved snaps and stories are stored. Step 3. Check for deleted stories. In Memories, look for the Stories section. If you had saved your story before deleting it, it might still be here. Step 4. Use the My Data feature. If you can't find it in Memories, go to Snapchat's My Data page in your browser. Log in and request your data, which may include deleted stories. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If all else fails, reach out to Snapchat support. They may be able to assist you further in recovering your deleted content. Remember, if you didn't save your story before deleting it, recovery chances are slim. But don't hesitate to reach out for help. Good luck!